Welcome to SEO Tutorials for Beginners. Today we're going to add a jump link section using Elementor. So you've probably noticed buttons on different websites that might link to a different section. So for example, if I scroll up, I have this button right here. If I click on this button, it drops down to a contact form. Now, the one way you can do this is you're going to add in a menu anchor right here. So if we go over to our button right here and type in menu, you will see you get this menu anchor. So just drag that to the section that you want the jump link to go to. And here you're going to write in some text. So for this example, I have contact form. So I'm just going to copy that text, and then I would scroll up to the button. And then right here, you will see I have a hashtag contact form. So you always have to have the hashtag in front. So if you have a button, you need to have that hashtag up front and then put that text in exactly how you have it on the menu anchor. So that's why I just copy and paste. And then from there, when you click that button, it will drop down to whatever section you have on the page. So if we changed this right here to say test, I'll remove this one, and then we'll go up to the button. We'll click on edit. And if I click on the button, you'll notice it will not work. But if I type in test, it brings me back down to my contact form. So you can add these anywhere on the page and just test it out. If you want the link to go, let's say right here, you might have to play with the positioning. So if you don't want this text to show, then you probably put the menu link down here, or the menu anchor. But if you want it just to go to the top of the section, then you would drop it in right here. So just do a little bit of testing, click on the button, see where it goes, and go from there. But pretty simple. And if you guys have any other questions or comments, please let me know.